Well, I'm walking down St. Anne Street. Not as many shops, I don't think, and definitely not as many people. Let's get out here and get a view. Not much traffic on this road. And like I said, I don't have a clue where I'm at. I'm lost as can be, but hopefully my car locator app works and get me right back to where my truck is. If not, I suppose I'll have to run a helicopter and look for it. It's a big old tree. Not as big as the one that I saw when I was with Frosty last year, but this one's pretty big. It's a nice park here. Jackson Square, I believe is what they call it. Pretty nice. See that horse-drawn carriage out there on the road. All right, I'm gonna keep going. Anything like this where I live. Big old barge out there. Actually, I've seen twice as long, or not longer, since I've been here.
It's not the car one, but it's the boat.
Heading back down to the Riverwalk, get to my truck. I forgot to wear a mask and I'm thirsty, so take a quick break. Again, there's that bridge over there. That boat that was sitting there earlier is now moving. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the truck and got a bottle of water there. I'm gonna rest my feet a minute, and then I forgot a mask, so I didn't really want to go into any place, so they all got masks required on the door. So I'm gonna grip my mask, rest for a minute, take a drink, and then go back into town, walk back in there and find something to eat and keep exploring. Okay, I'm back on Bourbon Street. Got a little construction here. Looking for something to eat. So I can smell it in the air, so I know it's here. So I'm gonna find a burger or something here, and then I'm gonna keep venturing around. A bunch of graffiti over there.
How was it?
It's okay, you live and you learn.
All right, well, I'm gonna find a place to eat and then I'll be back. Well, I'm on St. Peter's. I'm heading back to the truck. Get that tight. I'm basically worn out. I've been walking in the heat here. My step meter is usually 6,000 for the day, and I'm at over 20,000 steps right now, so a little bit tired. It's 4:45.
Let it out. Let it out. Let it out.
Pretty different here. But I'm not a night owl, so I'm not going to stick around for the nightlife. I'm sure there's a ton of it here. So, yeah, it's just up here a little ways, and then to the left is the Riverwalk again. I'm going to jump in the truck and then head back. Like I said, I'm whooped. Tomorrow I'm going to go start hanging out at the event that I came here for. Reveal that tomorrow. Starts at 2 o'clock for me, so I'm going to be there somewhere in that area and pretty much be there for the rest of the day, and then Saturday and Sunday. So this is Mark signing off for today. I head back to the truck, head back to the motel, call it a day, and I will see you tomorrow.